The periodic table is more than just an organizational device for elements. It helps us predict and analyze the various properties of elements. An atom is composed of three particles. Protons are positive, electrons are negative, and neutrons are neutral. Neutrons have no effect on the chemical properties of an element. Because protons and electrons have different charges, they are attracted to each other like two opposing ends of a magnet. It is this attractive force that determines the rest of the atom's properties. An atom's radius is the distance from its nucleus to the outermost electrons. As you go across a period on the periodic table, the radius decreases. This is because the number of protons and valence electrons are increasing. This increases the attractive force between the protons and electrons, pulling the electrons closer to the nucleus. As you move down a group on the table, the atomic radius increases. This is because there are more layers of electrons added to the atom as you move down a group. These extra layers of electrons repel the valence electrons, pushing them further from the nucleus. Ionization energy describes how much energy it takes to remove an electron from the atom. The higher the ionization energy, the harder it is to remove the electron. As the atom gets smaller, the force between the nucleus and the electron increases, increasing the ionization energy. As you go down a group and the atoms get larger, the reverse happens to ionization energy. Finally, electronegativity is the tendency for an atom to pull electrons toward itself in a bond. It helps determine whether an atom will form ionic bonds or covalent bonds. Again, the attractive force between the protons in the nucleus and the valence electrons determines the electronegativity trend. As you travel across a period, electronegativity increases. This is due to the same reason that the atomic radius decreases. As you move down a group, electronegativity decreases. Again, this is due to the attraction between protons and electrons. Understanding the trends of the periodic table helps us to explain why some elements are more reactive, while others are less reactive. Having that understanding gives us insight on how atoms work.